Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we have a water management system called Galcon and it's for my father. As you can see, the cable is broken, so we need to strip the wires first. Okay, now let's go under the microscope. We add flags to make the solder flow more easier. You need to be very careful when you solder wires. We need to use heat sinks to isolate the wires. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, now we must in the wires in the other device. It's very hard to do solder this because it's very short the wires, and also from the rain and from the sun there is a lot of corrosion. That's why it takes time to solder the wire. In the next moments you will see I have a better angle for my camera. So now I need a second pair of hands. Okay, we solder the wire, so we need to hit the heat sinks to make more isolation. As you can see, I can roll right and left this roller. It's changed to manual to automatic. So it's a design flaw. Sometimes the wires go under this roller, and this roller cut the wires. I will use a lighter to make the heat. Okay, also as you can see, I fixed the second one after a few weeks, so it's time to test both of them. Thank you for watching.